everyone! Today I'm going to show you a science presentation, homemade soap. Enjoy it! It's a science class. Put on the glasses and glass. I'm going to use honey, seeds, coffee, raspberry chocolate, green tea. We need soap base, measuring cup, mold, and a stick. Let's heat the soap base. We see that the soap base is melting. Stir until melted. Add a few drops of colorant. And stir. Add a few drops of fragrance oil. Such a nice lemon smell. Some seeds. Now let's pour into a mold. Spray rubbing alcohol. Add green colorant. Add rose fragrance oil. What a smell! It smells like a real rose. I add the leaves of green tea. This time let's add orange colorant and peach fragrance oil. I add some raspberry chocolate and some coffee. Freeze for 15 minutes. Remove the soap from the mold. Soap with green leaves, coffee,